So yeah, hey everyone, welcome to day 5 of 1000 days of programming challenge, and today I'm going to show you guys what I have done today. Not today, but what I have been doing for the 3 days. Okay, so at first I have made this Android app that converts NPR to USD. If you guys want, you can download it from my GitHub. And another thing that I'm making right now, it is not completed yet. It's this weather app. I've created this wizard, and these wizards was scroll. And other thing that I made was this guessing game. That and if you guess the correct number, and it says that you guessed the correct number. And I've also made this temperature converter. If you put something like 12, and so 12 degrees Fahrenheit is equals to 11.1 Celsius, and 12 Celsius is 53 Fahrenheit. And if you click on this cross icon, you can close it as well. This page is responsive too. And yeah, that's it on what I did today.